How to fix Snapchat memory not working on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So first guys, you will just go and open settings of your phone, and you will go directly to apps or applications. Then on apps or applications, what you should do, just search for Snapchat, and when you found the Snapchat, just open it like this and then go to storage. On storage, go to the last button here, clear data, then click OK, and go back and go to first tab and click OK, and that's it. Your problem will fix correctly. So I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like, also to subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.